Hopefully this will fit. So I'm going to double it. It's about 10 inches long. I'm going to double it. And then I'm going to take it, oops, and wrap it around. I pulled it completely out. I don't know why my phone's gone crazy. Must be YouTube. Alright. Let's get all these white ones in my hand. Start stringing them on. I'm putting extra on just in case I can always take them off. This is an experiment. I don't know how many I need. So, put our blue bead on. Wrap it around. Alright, and we're just going to wrap it around. Alright, now let's take the other white ones. How many do I have there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we're going to take it, pull it tight, and wrap it around. Let's get it together. So I didn't like the way I made one the other day, and it just wanted to look like Time Turner. And I'm like, no, that ain't what I want. So Now, I might get one side done before I have to go check on supper. See if that's enough. Or how many we need. I think we need a couple more. I put 10. All right. Now, put it tight. Yeah, twist it around. Oh yeah, that's so far. Okay, got that so far, and I'm not cutting that wire yet. There's 12. First one was 9, so pulled 2 off. I don't know what size bead that is. It's probably a 10 or a 12 millimeter. I'd say it's probably a 12 millimeter. And we're going to pull it tight again and go around. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. Now, we've got it that much. We joined it down at the bottom. And I think I've got a rough something sticking up there. Joined it at the bottom. Since this already has a little head pin in it, we're just going to put it down here at the bottom. Twist it back. And if you have a little gap there, just keep wiggling it back and forth to close that gap, because otherwise you could lose that bead off of there. Alright, now we've got that much. So I want to have yeah. I'm going to cut it to where I've got about a 1/2 inch on the top there. Cut a 1/2 inch off. I hope I've been in screen. Roll back. Roll. Over like that. And then we'll take one of these. Go through it. This is heavy wire, so this is heavy wire, so you're gonna have to wiggle it until you get it to touch. Just like that. Wiggle it until you get rid of the gap. There. And that's our pendant. Now this would be good for Memorial Day, Flag Day, 4th of July, or any patriotic day, I guess. Y'all have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one.